Are you ready to embark on an adventure that could change your life forever? Tokyo, a city that never sleeps, awaits you with open arms. Imagine a place where world-class bars and restaurants meet vibrant nightlife and bustling streets. Tokyo is that place. Tokyo is not just exciting, it's safe, with low crime rates and a public transport system that runs like clockwork. Our TEFL training center is just a 15-minute walk from JR Kanemachi and Keisei Kanemachi train stations, offering modern and comfortable facilities. Dedicated course trainers provide personalized attention, ensuring you get the most out of your lesson planning and teaching practice. Accommodation options vary, and our staff will help you find the best fit for your budget and preferences. Our course fees are all-inclusive, covering lessons, materials, teaching practice, assessments, certificates, and lifetime job assistance. Completing your TEFL course in Tokyo opens doors to teaching opportunities across Japan and around the world. Explore Tokyo's main attractions, from the Ginza Strip's glitz to the Shinto Pagoda's tranquility and the Imperial Palace's majesty. Course dates are available throughout the year, ensuring flexibility for your schedule. During the course, you'll experience being a learner of an unknown language, gaining insight into your future students' challenges. Join us in Tokyo and start your journey towards a fulfilling career in teaching English. Your adventure begins now.